Hello and welcome to another session today on Yusuf Onabekun's YouTube channel, where we talk about business, marketing and advertising. So on today's episode, we'll be talking about how to protect your Facebook ad account from being hacked. Now, though this is not a new thing, but it seems to always happen during when the Ember month is getting close, whereby some people are trying to run some dubious kind of campaigns. So this is how the whole thing runs. They have a way whereby they have a back channel whereby they get into your Facebook account, which whatever means. When they get into your Facebook account, they run ads into thousands of dollars, because you've already linked your credit card to it, and you will not know, because it's either they run the adverts to it and you will not know, or secondly they log you out of the account and there's no way for you to be able to do anything. So most time this always happen because you were trying to, probably you've set up a campaign and you just post it, you decide not to run advert at that particular point in time and just want it to be on its own, but you did not remove your credit card from your account. So this is the way whereby they will just set up the account and you just be running into debt. So how do you protect your Facebook account from being used for malicious reasons? So number one, you need to set up the 2FA, which you can use a Google Authenticator or Duo mobile app on either of your phones, whereby anytime somebody log in from a location, is going to ask them for a code to use. That's number one. Number two, make sure that you remove every credit card that you are no more using away from your Facebook card account. This prevents hackers to be able to use it for whatever reasons that they might have. And lastly, know the number of people that you give access to, which is, make sure that every time you give somebody an access to your Facebook ad account, you know you know the person, and you put in checks in place whereby the person does not use it for any other reasons aside what you assigned it for, or the person, even if they get hacked, there should be a way whereby you can easily dictate such issue. Now, this can happen in various ways, because probably the person got hacked, probably the person clicked on some apps that seems innocent on Facebook and they use that to penetrate into them. So these are the ways whereby you can implement into your Facebook ad account that will prevent your account from being used for unknown reasons that could lead to your account being disabled or restricted by Facebook. Thank you, and see you in my next video.